Musumbi William Ruto niwakathiia kisomo cha CBC ayasikana nicho kikwisa kutethia nthi ya Kenya. Ingi Ruto niwathana gukwata mbau alimu alame wabundisia manyua maundu ma mbathi na mathau na kumongela ndeve alame usinda nthini wa mathau kana festival. Robert Mutukuyu twelesia.
Musumbi Ruto ainena mawikaloni manini ma Musumbi alame musini wa Nakuru vala watanithwania maniwa alama na sindia masindanoni ma 95 ma mbathi niwaweta kana kisomo cha CBC nicho kina kielelo kinene cha kutwaa Kenya na mbe aikathiia onthe alama endeye kuikithia kanani cha aila na kuikithia kana yumathina ala onthe mevo ni mathinikie.
As we all know, many statements have been made here about this event being CBC in practice. I know we had a debate as a country for a while about where we were going with our education. And I want to thank all education stakeholders, our teachers, our teacher management units, and everybody else, including, of course, the input of many parents whom we engaged. I think we engaged close to 20,000 parents in formulating and straightening the challenges that were there with CBC. I am very proud to announce to the country that all the challenges that we had with CBC have now been sorted out. And our children can learn knowing very well where we are all going, and parents should be sure what is happening to their children. I must thank the Committee of Parliament when we took proposals to them on enhancing our education budget. Members of Parliament did approve, and this year we have the largest budget for education in Kenyan history. And we have put that budget together because education is central to the development of Kenya.
Musumbi Ruto niwaweta kana serikali yake ni kuikithia kanani ya thanga cia alimu alama tongwese masindano kwa kumamba tendeve nundu wa kuthi utena wiawo wa kuvundisia mathiwa maundu matonya umatethia utena kisomo na kuikithia kanani ya ndikangi kuthinikia unyivu wa alimu ula wivo.
This year in January and in July, we've hired an additional 56,000 teachers to make sure that learners in our primary and secondary schools have teachers to teach them. This year, also, we have reorganized the funding models for our TVET, all tertiary institutions, TVET and university, so that we can better attend to the needs. And apart from reorganizing the funding model, we have also increased resources that will be available for our learners to acquire knowledge, to acquire skills, professional skills included in our technical schools or middle-level colleges, including our universities. I want to recommend here Waziri for Education that the teachers who have done this phenomenal job, who have trained these young people, who have written the scripts, who have done the exemplary work, should join those to be promoted in this cycle.
Maundu ni makoneti inengo Musumbi Ruto niwaweta kanani unenganite mwolooto wa kila chailite kwikwa nikana Kenya mambi ukwata ilovia kuma kwa inengo sio na kuikithia kana inengo cia maniwa ni cia endea ona mamina skulu.
Already given direction on what we need to do, and we have agreed that as a country we must not just watch what our children are doing here. We must have a program on how to carry it forward and how to ensure that the talent on display here progresses to the next level in terms of the artists themselves, but also we tap into the monetization programs that exist for us, not just to encourage the artists that we have in our midst, but to also make sure that they can carry this into the future, commercialize the great talent that that is on display, and benefit themselves. So,
kumana na uneni ula withitwa vo aingi ma Kenya maitula muti kambuni wa TikTok nundu wa kwitikilia sinu nthuku kuonanwa mutandaoni usu. Musumbi Ruto ni waweta kana wa kana uu nukwithiwa ainenania na ofisa munene kambunini ukuona kana siiko isu ni siavetangwa ni kana mutandao uwende na kutethia Kenya kukwata ilovia.
Tomorrow morning we are having that conversation with the global CEO of TikTok so that we can agree on a mechanism to moderate content in their space so that we can reduce the content that is negative and leverage on the monetization that is benefiting a lot more people.
Na keminisa muveni wa mathau ababu na mwamba ni wawetekana mwamamaniwa ani mekwithiwa maikwata ivuso ya kuonania utuika uo mawonanio ni ma Kenya National Theatre vala mekwithiwa maiye vo ilovia.
Number of events including the incredible play The Eyes Have It by Riara School is poised to appear for a special paid performance at the Kenya National Theatre during the Kenya National Theatre Awards this November. I'm also happy to report to you, Your Excellency, that from the second term school ball games that ended in Kakamega County a couple of weeks ago, we selected 2,000 of the very best across all disciplines: football, rugby, tennis, all the 9 disciplines. And for the last 1 week, we have had those 2,000 children at the Kenya Academy of Sports in Nairobi. And what has been going on, Your Excellency, is Kenya's first ever national talent camp. During that camp, they have received elite training, but they have also been scouted.
Mathau wa mambathi manatwa iwe kuma tuwe 11 kimansioni cha Dedan Kimathi kauntini ya Nyeri na kuthela kwi matuku 21 kielelo kinene ne kuea inengo kuondwa utuika na maendeleo. Ndi ripoti ya Mutongo TV, Nita wa Robert Mutuku.